Should do this like on Kai.
Yeah. Oh no, you'll break your neck. You'll break your neck if you do this to Kai.
I hurt my neck. Nobody should call me fat again.
You're just a wall. You're just a wall. Monster biceps. Concrete.
So, yeah, so my thoughts on it. It's a variant sweep from Cyborg's Tornadoes. As I understand his, he's totally converting and just pressing it like a hamstring press. He's doing something like this. And he sets up for more, but then it's cool. Right to. But I don't have that strength. And it's hard against the bigger guy, so I try to cut it through the hip. Right. Instead of pressing that way, where you've got hands, right, I'm taking you through your hip that direction, where there's no base. So I've got to commit my hand to my ankle. Base your hands, don't get swept, So if I go that way, you've got hands, I go through the hip. If you're refusing the sweep, right, so as you're going over, you're here, you don't let your butt hit. I've got to crank that butt back down to the floor. Go again. Right, you bridge your right leg after I sweep it. Right, good. No sweep yet, and I've got to be able to crank that down. So that's the torque. This is the same bar thing. This same torque that I'm doing with my arms, I'm doing with that. So setups for it. A faked butterfly sweep or a broken butterfly sweep where I lose the arm. I'm already halfway into my movement pattern, right, which is shoulder down, invert, kick. So, shoulder, invert, kick. The other hand just has to assist getting you on top of it. It's an underhook, cross lapel, same side. I do it with a belt. If I get a belt grip here. I don't do it with an overhook. An overhook, I can take my arm. Also do sometimes out of, like if you're coming up out of bottom half when you have the underhook, I have the overhook, I'll do it there, but I have to be careful. So I get rid of the overhook halfway through. Right here. Yeah, you come up. Right here, as you come up, I'll go under. But I can't leave you. I can't leave you with my arm. You can get stuck. So that's a spot I'll hit it to not concede the bottom. I get in a dog fight where I'm gonna get smoosh. You see Gary doing this a lot from the feet. Right, we're playing here, single leg, you come up.
That's basically the same move?
Same movement at the end of it. The intention and the setups are different. On that one, there's no need to preserve my knee line and my guard. Like if I don't turn upside down, and I keep this alignment, and you sprawl on me, I'm done. So I have to make that. Sprawl. Right. And so now I've just got to get under the hip. So under. Boom.
So nice.
Pretty sick.
So that's one of my favorite movements. I don't know where I learned it. I just started doing it.
Bye.